Hi, I'm Mikaël, the 2025 World Coffee Roasting Champion. I'm here at the development facility of Giesen, showcasing the Giesen 6 and Giesen 15, and I will walk you through some features. So the external control is now integrated, and you can have a wireless control over a tablet or laptop. So the gas model is equipped now with the pre-mix gas burner to have more stability, and the electric roaster is like the previous model to have good choice in between convection and conduction roasting. The two roasters are highly modular. You can have the basic roaster and you can add on top 3 packages, which are control, sensor, and automation package. Thank you for watching. If you like that video, you can subscribe and follow us on our socials to get more videos like this one.